Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. You know, it's the new year and I have recommitted myself to a whole food plant-based diet. You know, you kind of indulge a little bit over the holidays. Now it's time to get back on track, and I'm going to show you this super easy no oil salad dressing. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, and you'll see why. So let's get started. All you need is a mason jar. You need some balsamic vinegar, some mustard, and maple syrup. That is it. So we start with 3 tablespoons of balsamic. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of mustard. I like to use stone ground mustard, and then I like to use a whole grain mustard, so I'll use 1 tablespoon of each. But you could use Dijon mustard, whatever kind of mustard you would like. So that goes in as well. And then just 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And you probably already have all these ingredients around your house. Then you simply put the lid on and shake it up. And you get an absolute delicious, tangy, sweet dressing that is not only good on salads, but you could use it on baked potatoes. You could drizzle it over roasted vegetables. I mean, it is just unbelievable. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.